How to invite people to a Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite people to your Discord server. This will be quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have Discord app installed on your mobile phone and then make sure that you are logged in. Once you are here in the Discord app, you need to simply go ahead and then you need to create your server. Here, in order to create your server, you need to simply tap on the plus icon over here. From here, you need to simply tap on create my own. Then you need to tap on for me and my friends, and then you need to click on create server. Now that you have created your server, in the setup progress, you can see invite your friends. So quickly go ahead and tap on that. From here, you need to simply tap on invite your friends. Once you have done that, you need to either enter your friend's name over here and then you need to send them a invite, or you can simply copy the link and send it to them manually. Otherwise, you can do this by, you can see in the side of the search option, you can see the plus icon over here. Simply click on it and from here you can also invite your friends. And that's it. You're all set to invite your friends to your Discord server. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.